Can an LLC invest in the stock market? Yes, an LLC can invest in the stock market. It can open a brokerage account under the LLC's name using its EIN and use business funds to buy stocks, ETFs, bonds, or other securities. Any gains or losses from these investments belong to the LLC and must be reported on its tax return. Investing through an LLC can provide liability protection and make it easier to separate personal and business finances. Some people even form investment LLCs specifically to pool money from multiple members and invest together. However, there may be tax implications depending on how the LLC is structured, whether it's taxed as a sole proprietorship, partnership, s-corp, or c-corp. It's important to understand how investment income will flow through to the members' personal returns. Zen Business can help you form your LLC and get it structured so you can start investing in the stock market the right way. The link is in the description. And if you want a step-by-step breakdown of LLC basics, you can also download my free guide on how to set up an LLC. That link is in the description too.